Hi. I'm here to talk to you about how to make a man listen to you. How to make a man listen to you. Have you noticed that everyone these days seems to be addicted to checking their phones? Seriously. It is getting way out of hand. Last night, I saw a cute young couple who were out on a date. In between bites of her salad, she was scrolling through her Facebook feed and liking posts. While he was checking his stocks, reading about last night's sports games, and responding to emails. They literally said about 4 words to each other during the entire meal. In many ways, male and female communication has always been like dogs and cats trying to relate to each other. In the age of social media and everyone being connected to the internet 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, it is harder than ever. That is why I love the magic words that you can learn in this short presentation. I taught these magic words to my friend Fran, and now her boyfriend is like a whole new person. I also showed my client Leslie a few of the magic words. She used them when she went on a second date with a guy, and afterwards she told me, "I use your magic words," and it was like he was suddenly mesmerized by me. Our first date had been sort of a disaster. He seemed distracted the whole time. But then, on our second date, I used the magic words and he started opening up to me and connecting with me in a way I've never seen from a guy. I know these magic words will do amazing things for your love life too. It does not matter whether you are single, or dating, or married. Every woman can use these magic words to talk directly to a man's heart. You can make him instantly lower his walls and want total trust and open communication with you. The same things you want from him. I do need to mention, only a limited number of women are being granted the opportunity to learn these romantic communication secrets. So I urge you to go here now, and join this private test group. I look forward to hearing your incredible success story very soon. Click on the link in the description now and learn how. Hope you found it useful. For more information please click the link in description.